Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Silverado 3500HD. Pros, everything. Cons, nothing. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.